G'day everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to air fry a 1 kilogram, it says porchetta, which is Australian pork. It's a pork roll, as you can see there, and it's actually comes with fennel and orange seasoning. Now it's just a 1 kilogram piece of pork that we've got from Coles, and it says porchetta there. Now I'm just going to slowly take this plastic off it. Okay. Now this has been sitting in the fridge since yesterday. We bought it yesterday. Apparently it's been marinated with fennel and a bit of orange. Okay, so we'll just take that out. Now we're going to drip a bit of olive oil over the top of it, as you can see there. Just a few drops. A little bit of salt, just for seasoning. And of course, because I've got oil on my hands, everything's getting oily. That's why we need a pair of gloves next time. We've taken our rolled pork porchetta out of the fridge. It's been sitting there for a while, and now we have to put it on the spit or the skewer. Now I've got a knife here because if I turn this around here, the skewer, as you can see, it hasn't got a pointy edge, so I've had to sort of jab the knife just a little bit in there just to start the hole off. Just a little bit. And then we'll force the skewer through. That's it. Okay. And that's probably a good idea that hasn't got a pointy edge so you don't skewer yourself. We'll put the forks in. So the air fryer comes with 2 little forks. So we'll put the, now if we turn, okay. Just turning this. Okay, there's a little notch in the on the actual skewer itself. I'm not sure if you can see it. There's 2 little notches, one on either side, and that's where the tightening screws need to go in. Well, you don't want to actually exceed those markers because then it has to go in the oven, so the forks will actually go into the meat as such. Okay, just pop that in, squeeze. Okay, something's holding the forks. There you go. Okay, the forks are gone in. Just turn it over. Okay. So we tighten up the little tightening screw. There's a little tightening screws. Okay, what they do is actually stop the forks from sliding. So basically, there's your fork there, there's your little screw that goes in there, and that actually tightens up on the skewer. So we'll put this one in as well. Try to roughly get it in the center. So I'm not sure if you want to do it that way or that way. Doesn't really matter as long as it's in the center. Just squeeze it forward, there you go. And that's pretty much as center as I can get it. Tighten the little screw up. Okay, so just turn it back on, the light on. So there we have the pork on the skewer. And most importantly, don't forget your drip tray, because as that's cooking, you need somewhere for all the fat and the juices to drip down on. So we'll turn it on. Hold on, let me just close the door. Okay, turn it on. Okay, now what I'm going to start this on, if we can zoom on that. I'm not sure if the camera is going to zoom on that, but we'll go to meat. Temperature, we're going to have it at 200 for 25 minutes, and then we'll lower it. So 200 for 25 minutes, and we'll just start it. And that button there for rotisserie, and there we have it. So we'll just turn the light on. Okay, you can see the meat slowly turning around on the rotisserie there. We'll just open it up. There you go, have a look at that. With all the juices dripping, and that smells brilliant. You can see all the juices down on the tray underneath. So that's been in there for 25 minutes at 200. Now we're going to, there you go, the light goes out. We're going to place it back in there again. Okay, we'll choose meat. Once we find meat, where are we? And now we're going to leave the temperature to about 165. Okay, if I can actually press it. There you go. I've got the camera in front of my face here, so I can't actually see what I'm pressing. Okay, there you go, sorry, 165. And for time, we're going to increase that to about 45 minutes. So it's going to slow cook, but we're going to keep checking it every so often. So 45 minutes at 165, I think it was. We've got about 5 minutes to go, and our pork roll is almost cooked. It's golden brown, and another 5 minutes to go. We haven't got a temperature gauge like a lot of people have to check the temperature. What we'll do is we'll take it out, let it sit for a while, and we'll cut into it and see if it's cooked all the way. But it's been in there for almost an hour and 15 minutes. If I open it up, you can have a look, watch it don't get burnt. Okay, as you can see there, it's starting to brown up very nicely as well. I can zoom in to it, there you go. Have a look at that. And all the juices down the bottom there. So it's got another 5 minutes to go, and we'll let it cook the remaining 5 minutes. Here is the final product, our Porchetta pork roll. Nice golden brown on the outside. Crispy fat on the outside. You can see there the filling inside. The fat doesn't go all the way around, but it smells fantastic. Now we're going to cut into it and check it out, and then what we'll do is we'll place it in some aluminium foil, just leave it sit for about 15-20 minutes, let it cool down and rest, and then we'll eat it. Just cut into the pork, and that's what it looks like inside. Looks like it's pretty well cooked there. And it's got a bit of a filling inside there. I think it's got fennel. I think it said it comes with fennel. So, and the actual pork, the crackling is actually nice and hard. There you go. That's hard on top there. So we're going to cut it up. We're going to start eating. Thanks for watching, everyone. Take care. Bye bye.